This might be the most boring video about trading you'll ever watch, and that's exactly why you need to pay attention. If you're serious about making trading your career, you can't skip this. There's no flashy get-rich-quick promise. In fact, over 99% of traders lose their money. So forget about getting rich. The real question is, can you even survive in trading? By the end, you'll see exactly what it takes for trading to actually make you wealthy, and if it's possible for you. So, let's get started. Trading is not a lottery ticket. It's not a double your money in 24 hours game. Trading can make you rich only if three things come together: capital, skill, and time. Let's break it down. First, capital. If you're trading with a tiny account, you can learn, you can practice, but don't expect life-changing money. A $100 account won't buy you a car. What it can do is teach you discipline, build consistency, and prepare you to handle larger capital later. The money only scales when your account scales. Second, skill. Trading isn't about guessing. It's about having an edge. A system that over 100 trades makes more than it loses. That edge can be trend following, liquidity-based, supply-demand. Doesn't matter. What matters is discipline and risk control. Without skill, capital disappears. Third, time. This is the piece most people ignore. Rich from trading doesn't happen overnight. Even with strong returns, compounding needs years. For example, at 30% yearly growth, your money triples in 5 years and becomes 10 times in about 9 years. That's how real traders build wealth. If you want the answer to be yes for you, follow these 5 practical rules. Rule 1, protect your capital. Risk only 1 to 2% per trade. If one trade can wipe you out, you have no chance to compound. Survive first, profit second. Rule 2, trade only with an edge. Before you click ask, why this trade? Exact stop? Exact size? If any answer is unclear, skip it. Only take trades that meet your rules. Rule 3, use time wisely. Plan your profits. Most traders stop their growth by taking money out too often. The solution? Decide how you'll use profits before you make them. Keep 2 accounts, one for growing, one for spending. The growing account is your base. Never touch it. The spending account is where you pay yourself. You could keep 70% to grow and use 30% to live. Or give yourself a fixed monthly payout like a salary. What matters is simple. Stay consistent. That way your money keeps growing while you enjoy the rewards. Rule 4, be consistent, not flashy. Don't treat trading like a casino. Stick to 2 to 3 solid trades a day, no more. Follow your system every single time. It's not about excitement, it's about repetition. Consistency builds accounts. Chasing thrills destroys them. Rule 5, measure before you scale. Log every trade, entry, stop loss, size, net result after fees and taxes. Calculate expectancy. If the math isn't positive, don't scale. Increase size only after repeatable results. These 5 rules are non-negotiable. No shortcuts. No lucky guesses. So, can trading make you rich? Yes, absolutely. But only when capital, skill, and time line up. And you follow these rules. Protect capital, trade an edge, plan withdrawals, stay consistent, and measure before scaling. And that's all for today. Now I want to hear from you. What do you think? Can trading really make you rich? Drop your thoughts in the comments. I'll be reading and I'll pin the best replies. And if you found value here, make sure you subscribe so you don't miss the next one.